Welcome to our channel. Today I want to show you how to clean the buzzer, the sound speaker in a Samsung Galaxy S8 phone. The first thing we need to do is turn off the phone. Never clean the phone while it is turned on. We need 100% pure isopropyl alcohol to soften the dirt for us, and then it will evaporate so that there's no trace left behind. Otherwise it would clog the buzzer openings again. We need a brush with flexible bristles, preferably soft or medium hard, because otherwise it will scratch your phone. You can buy this brush and a diffuser like this as a set on Allegro or Amazon. If not, you can use a regular toothbrush. Just as I said, make sure it's soft or medium hard, otherwise you'll scratch your phone. Once your phone is completely turned off, spray the brush with alcohol. If you don't have a diffuser, just pour a little into a small container and dip the brush in it. Take your phone. Here are all the buzzer openings, and you should carefully clean them in one single, consistent direction. Clean each of these individual openings 5 or 6 times in that same direction to make sure they're thoroughly and completely cleaned. And then you will need to repeat this exact same process in the opposite direction to finish. Five or 6 times for each and every opening. Then in another direction to the side. Again, each opening 5 or 6 times. Do the same in the other direction. Each opening 5 or 6 times. If the openings are very dirty, repeat this process 3 or 4 times in each direction, so that's about 30 or 40 strokes, just cleaning movements in every direction, and you'll have a perfectly clean buzzer. After the procedure, set the phone aside for about 15 minutes to let the isopropyl alcohol evaporate, and then you can turn the phone on and use it as normal. That's all for today. Thank you very much for your attention. I would really appreciate a thumbs up, likes, subscriptions, and see you in my next video.